Hey guys, hope you had a good Monday. Today was a snow day for me. All the kids home from school. It's been a nightmare. Let's take a look at gold. On the daily time frame, the February 12th candle closed green, the spinning top, long upper wick, and today we're seeing a little bit of red. So we had looked at the hourly time frame last time, and what we had decided upon was, hey, maybe we're going to see ourselves a head and shoulders pattern. And I think I might have referenced a 4-hour head and shoulders pattern. What I meant to say was the hourly. And what I had hoped to happen here was to have our shoulder, our head, and then come down and have more of a rounded shoulder for downside continuation. So we did not get that, and that pattern was negated with this big bull move up to 314, up to 1314. So with that pattern negated, we need to take a step back and say, okay, what's going on? We didn't get a big bull break, we didn't get a big bear break, but instead what we got was a beautiful continuation of this 4-hour equilibrium. So we've seen this equilibrium developing since our high at 1316. That's going to be major resistance for us. We saw our drop to 1302, 1315, 1303, and the idea here is our range is tightening and getting tighter and tighter and tighter until finally something will break for us, and we will be ready when that happens. So here's our equilibrium. We can see that setting up very nicely, very close equidistant ranges almost for these bulls and these bears. So it's a very good pattern with no clear direction at this point. On the daily and weekly time frame, I'm still leaning bearish, but this can very easily change with a bull break and a break of our 1316 and then our 1326 resistance. Should we fail to do that and go to the downside, our next support on the equilibrium is at 1303. So should we break that, we're not far away from a 1302, and then a drop down on the 4-hour time frame, minor support at 1297, and then we keep coming back to this 1276. So that's what I expect to happen here, and I'm going to be looking for that until we get that bull movement or that bull break. Right now the market is very strong, and often we see some inverse correlations there. So SPY and the S&P continues to thrive in this little bit of a bull run here. It's likely we will see this equilibrium break to the downside. Again, be prepared for both scenarios. These levels are what we're watching right now, and actually I missed one of these highs, so I hope everyone's still watching 1314. So you can see how these distances are very nice and tight. What I'd like to see for this EQ is to come down to the 1305 range and then keep tightening. The longer we tighten, the more substantial the break is when it does come. That's it for today. Thank you very much.